excited about this. So all right, so here is my steering wheel cover, and let me put this up so that way you guys can see it here. So here is my steering wheel covered, and I'm about to put it on my steering wheel. So I'm excited. Here goes nothing. Okay guys, so here goes my steering wheel that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm super excited to put it on. Oh my god guys, I don't know if you guys ever purchased an item and you were excited to put it on. I'm excited. Oh my god, it said it's easy to put on, so let's see guys, let's see. Vamos a ver. All right, so you guys can see the top is velvet, and then it has like little bling bling, and then on the side it's like furry, so I'm excited. So far, so good. So good. Alright, so I'm just gonna on this side. Okay. 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 Sorry if you guys like hear the heater on. It's kind of cold, so I had to turn on the heat in the car because I am cold. Okay, all right. It's definitely easy to put on, so I'm excited. Let me fix it a little. Oh my god, it looks so pretty, guys. Look how pretty it looks. But oh, you probably can't see it, but I'm gonna show you guys. So overall, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love. So it looks so pretty. Long hair that I have, so like, yay, yay. So I'm trying to get a little intro there or something, or thumbnail, whatever you want to call it. So I'm excited. Overall, it looks so pretty, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, look how beautiful it looks. As you guys can see, the top is velvet, and then on the sides has like little bling bling, super cute, and then it's like furry on the side. I love it. It looks so pretty on my car. Actually, it was easy to put on, so it's very, very pretty. I love it. So love it. Gorgeous.